Hi, this is Brad of Silver Lining Daydreams. Today in this video I'm going to go over some of the small upgrades or some of those little things we've done for our travel trailer just to make it easier to rent it on RVshare. There's no particular order to this, so let's get right into it. Number one is a hose and cord caddy that keeps your freshwater hose coiled up and out of the way. This one is made by Stromberg Carlson and it costs about $20. It will hold up to 75 feet of hose. It's also great for storing hose accessories. This one will also hold 30 or 50 amp power cords. Multiple caddies are easily stackable. The hose caddy design allows the hose to unwind at each end, conveniently keeping the bulk of the hose inside the caddy. Number two and number three go hand in hand, no pun intended. Both a wall-mounted soap dispenser and a wall-mounted paper towel holder in your bathroom. We want to encourage cleanliness in our RV. Make sure your guests understand not to flush them down the toilet. For convenience, we also have a second paper towel dispenser in the kitchen area. After 2 years of hit and miss on how well these older common key cam locks would work with this bent key, it was time for a change. Most older RVs, including ours, use a CH751 key, which means I could probably open up the storage compartments on over half the RVs at any given campground. These newer tubular cam locks I installed come with a not totally, but more unique key for improved security and also ease of use. Number five, RV gutter spouts with extensions. So these help prevent the black streaks from forming by directing the rainwater runoff away from the sides of your RV. When you park your camper on pavement, we recommend having a set of rubber wheel chocks. Number 7 is a tire locking chalk. Number 8, leveler ramp chocks. For those times you camp without water hookups, sure enough, you run out of water.
Nice job.
So these are buffalo plaid curtains. We have a black curtain rod and a couple black clothespins so we can just hold these curtains open as far as we want or close them all the way and they stay. These fleece curtains that Michelle made are very functional, less expensive, and safer than the corded blinds that came with the camper when we bought it a couple years ago. Number 11, a curved shower rod. To create more space when showering, we replaced the original straight shower rod with a curved shower rod. For a warmer and more cohesive look, Michelle made matching curtains and bedspreads. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Silver Lining Daydreams.